Good morning, guys. Today we're looking at my Miele appliances. And why have I got them out, you're probably asking? Well, I've got a plan for this little Miele wash here. I've had this for about, I don't know, 5 years maybe. The detergent fall needs to go back in. I've got to slot it in somehow, but yeah, the batteries are out of it because I did do a tear down with this Miele. But I have a plan for this pretty cool little washing machine here. And this where this battery pack comes into play, because I could do this, could be an on and off motor switch. So, you see this here? On, off. Give off an old Christmas ornament. But I'll show you the batteries it uses. And yes, it's very old. But to take this off, it's a bit of a pain. I did used to have some big washers, like as in wash machine, but they all got thrown away because they all, like all the batteries were corroded. And this cover's a pain to remove. Anyway, here the batteries. The batteries probably changing, but then the batteries in there. Just a double A. Polaroid batteries. Both of these are alkaline batteries. Check for corrosion. And both of these batteries here. These batteries are lead free, so yeah, but they're looking pretty good condition. But I'll probably change them because of how old they are. Let's see what the date on these batteries are. (2022) is when this battery is out of date. What about the coda? (2025), so these batteries don't go out of date just yet, but I'll pop this back in for now since this battery pack is not in use by me at the moment. Anyway, I've got this little battery pack here. Came off a set of string lights. And there's the on-off switch. To put the cover on, it's a pain. To cover for it. And to put this on, all I have to do is this. Clips right into place. You've got to make sure there's little tab lines up though. On the bottom. A pain that. Yeah, to put it back on, what you have to do is make sure these little tabs go in here. Don't worry, I will get this back on. Like this, somehow. It can be a bit of a pain, but you can do it. So what I plan to do is, I plan to take like a small DC motor that you get out of like little trains. I'll show you what I mean. I've got a few old trains that are missing their shells. And I can show you here what sort of motor they could use. You can just about... You can't see it that well, but they use like mini DC push motors. Someone's going off in there, but yeah, I'll take a motor out of one of these old trains I've got here. Well, the motor to... solder the motor to this battery pack, drill out a hole where the battery box is, or somewhere like that. Attach that, so it's like a little elastic band to the drum, and somehow I can make this work. And yes, I do have the Miele oven as well, but I have a feeling this is a knockoff. One little shelf is broken. Anyway, back onto the washing machine. The washing machine's okay, but it is missing its detergent ball. Press that to open, just like the real thing. You can actually turn the drum around, so I do assume you can make this work. All Miele's I've come across are brushed. Even Miele's tumble dryers are actually brushed. I've seen some brushed Miele tumble dryers around. Miele is the only company I know of who makes brushed tumble dryers. And in this box, I do have the actual detergent drawer from it. Anyway, it's probably here somewhere. It's here somewhere, I know that for a fact, but... Oh. First thing that just came on, I'll sort that out in a second. Oxford is still a good friend of mine. And make that batch pack. And drill that little hole where the battery pack is. The actual battery cover there is. And you can make it into a fully working Miele Nervotronic. That would be pretty cool. So yes, I could modify this Miele. It kind of looks like his hair now, but I'll just turn his string backs off a second. Because he shouldn't be on. Turn these off, you have to use... I'll do this on camera. See my Miele washing machine now. It will be nice to modify these because you can modify the bigger model. Just turn these things off with a pencil on because the little button's broken. Anyway, I am going to modify that Miele. No. I got it off, finally. Oh no. Go off, please. I don't want these things coming on. These things are a nightmare. Look at this. They just want to go off all the time whenever I use them. I can't believe I have to use pencil now because the little switch broke off. But finally they've gone off. Oh my god, I'm going to destroy these string lights in a minute. Please don't. But yes, I am going to modify that Miele in the near future. So yeah, pretty cool. Thanks for watching, and these string lights now because they won't go off. That'll be it, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.